welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am super excited because I have asked everywhere, basically everywhere. I've joined a lot of Facebook lash groups and I found a lot of you guys. So if you're here from there, I want to thank you and welcome you to my channel. I really appreciate all the feedback. I cannot wait. There are a million things that I want to talk about. There's a bunch of different steps and just everything that I want to go through on lashes. I'm here in my studio right now and I have clients in a few hours, so don't mind the no makeup look because that's what we're gonna rock with because it's 6 in the morning. And yeah, I never have time, but I'm gonna squeeze in time somewhere. I do work 2 full-time jobs, not an excuse, but bear with me. I will be popping out videos because I'm like into it right now. So when you're excited about something, I feel like you try more. So I'm gonna be trying for you guys. Let me turn off the heater because it's too loud. Okay, so I'm very excited. I'm glad that you guys want to learn more. I'm new to this, not like new, but I'm fairly new. I've only been doing it a few years, and so I'm not the most perfect person. If you see me doing something wrong, feel free to give me some constructive criticism. Let me know what you feel about what I say. I mean, I'm just a woman like you, and we're women. We should definitely empower one another. Any of my knowledge, I am willing to share it with you guys because we're all here to learn together. This is just, I think the Facebook groups that I joined are pretty amazing. There is one that I joined and I posted a picture and oh my god, I think there was like 100 and something comments, bashing me, you know, like really judging really hard. I mean, I enjoyed the constructive criticism. It helped me a lot. Like, I feed off constructive criticism. You grow from constructive criticism, but then there's a point, you know, where you're being rude, and I just don't deal with that. So if you're here, like, I please ask you to be nice and to be kind to one another because we're just women trying to help one another. There's no reason to be rude, so just enjoy it. Like, take what you can, what you will from my video. If you can use it if you can use it, then use it. If you can't, like, leave it here and keep moving on, you know? That being said, I wanted to go ahead and get to my first. So that being said, this video here, it's gonna be a quick video. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see really long videos from me, if you want to see short, quick, to the point videos, let me know. I'm gonna be doing all sorts. Like my next video, I know you guys, I've already asked if you wanted to see my setup, like my studio. It's inside this room right here behind the black and white wall. My cart, everything. I posted pictures on a few Facebook groups that I'll go ahead and link down below so you guys can go follow because I do post a lot on those, and oh my god, you guys are helpful. You guys are amazing. Like, just yesterday or the other day, I posted a tape on a 3-tape method, which is bonkers, which is probably ridiculous. A lot of you guys let me know. I mean, not you guys, but a lot of people on the group did let me know, like, why 3 layers? Like, I don't get it, you know? And I do understand, like, it does seem like much. Oh wait, I'm missing 1 layer. So like I said, you don't have to follow everything that I do. This is my way. I do the 3-tape method. I want to say I heard it from somebody. I might have seen it on a video. I don't know. I know I saw part of it on a video and then I added on to it. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you the tapes that I do use. The first one is this one here. It's a pretty good size roll. It is a 3M micro foam tape, and I will link everything down below so you can just go straight down, check it out. But this is a foam, so basically it does not have any ingredients added like aloe, because these are gel pads. These are, I get them off of Amazon. They're the lint-free under eye gel patches, and I will link these below as well. Everything I talk about, I will always link it down below, so I don't have to be saying that like a billion times. But anyway, so I do 3-tape method. This isn't tape, but it is a gel pad, so this is the first layer that goes down onto the skin. But anyway, if you don't want to use these, I do find a lot of my clients that get really irritated or they're very sensitive. Make sure to see if they're allergic to aloe, because there's aloe, and these are like collagen eye masks, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so there's like a bunch of glycerin, you know, things in here. So if your clients do get allergic reactions, you don't want to use it on them. I do tend to go for this more just because it does not have anything added to it. It's just basically tape. So, I mean, besides the glue, and I mean, it's rare. You know, anybody can be allergic to anything, but just kind of check it out. Do a patch test if you need to. That being said, you should always go in with like a really thick tape, a really nice foam. That's why I use this if you're not going to use the pad, because you want to protect their under eye. Like the tweezers, you don't notice, but you're working with tweezers and you're poking and touching, and after a while that can get really irritating, especially to the skin around the eyes. Like we have very, very super sensitive skin. Okay, so the first thing is the microfoam tape. Like I said, it's really thick, it's very sticky, it adheres. What I do is I pull this apart, I pull off a layer, and say I didn't bring everything to show you, but this is a sandwich bag, okay? Like a clear sandwich bag. What you do is you apply one layer here, and then you turn it around and you apply another layer. So you're basically sandwiching in the sandwich bag. And then all you do is you start cutting curves. You just cut curves, which will initially look like this. So this is one that I have done. You cut it, you know, you keep on cutting your little curves, and it falls off. You then open it, and bam, you'll just have your little sets ready to go. So you can just peel this away when you need it, like so. So you can just peel it away, and this is your first strip. So this is what the foam looks like. If you guys want to see like the thickness and all that, very, very sticky, very flexible, which I love. This is really nice to apply on the lower. I'll show you here. This one, my all-time favorite. Like if you have this, you don't need anything else, but I'm a little bit crazy. This is the Next Care Sensitive Blue Tape. You can buy 2 of them for, I believe, under 20 bucks on eBay. You can buy 2 of them for really cheap. I want to say like under $10 on Amazon, a 2-pack for something, I forget, but it'll be linked up. Because at Walgreens, if you buy it at the store, it's like about 10 bucks, 10 or more. So you can buy 2, basically buy 1 get 1 free. So do not miss out on that chance. Last one I have is the 3M Micro Pore Tape, and I really don't use this a lot. Honestly, this is for taping up the eyelids up here, just if you want to give a quick little pull. But it is kind of gentle. It does hurt more on the skin. Like it's very see-through, it's very thin, it tears easy. It's not that bad. Like once it loses, if you apply it to your hand one time, the stickiness is gone. So what I do for volume lashes is I like to hold back my layers like this. So it's very gentle, and when you pull away, you just make sure that the lashes aren't getting stuck, and it pulls away. It doesn't rip any lashes out. If you do it correctly, you should be good. So that's why I really, really like this. That's the only reason I use it for, is that, and sometimes holding the lid back, but even then it's not sticky enough to do that, but you just have to get it kind of right. But between these 2 guys, this does not hurt your skin. It does not rip off your eyebrows. This one, you have a more likely chance of ripping out the brows. So if you're looking for something that you can place over the brows, you won't have a problem with this. Like it doesn't hurt, so it's amazing. Okay, going into the 3 tape method, this is the first layer that I apply. I'm just gonna be applying it to my hand because I don't have a model with me right now, but that's okay. So this is what the pad looks like if you're not familiar with it. If you do lashes, you know exactly what these are. But these have been the brand that I have been going for, and I'll link it below. I don't know the brand name. I don't even think it has a name, but these stick really, really well, and they are amazing. So these ones here are amazing. So this is how I do it. I put the pad down, okay? And then I try to grab, you know, like a good size amount, nothing too long, you don't want to go too crazy. And I grab it right in the middle and I rip it. So then you have your 2 pieces, and this is the eye. So I then, how am I going to do this? So I then tape down. You can put this really close to the waterline and it won't hurt. It doesn't irritate, it doesn't move. The good thing about this is your client can be like a chatty Cathy or whatever, and they won't move, so your lashes won't pop out. Like it's more, I used to struggle with getting eyelashes stuck together, and with this tape, no problem at all. So anyway, I put one this way, tape down those lashes, then I grab my other piece and I go the other way, you know, So then you just have it taped off like so. And then when I go in with my microfoam, I then let them close their eyes. So after I apply these two, they shut their eyes and they have their eyes closed, and I let them know, hey, I'm gonna be going in with an extra pad for support, so just go ahead and keep your eyes closed for me, please, you know? And then so I go right in the middle. I just hit it in the middle, and the good thing about this tape is that it's very stretchy. So it pulls. So once you have it in the middle, this is not a client, so it can be really rough. But yeah, you have it in the middle, and then I just lift a little bit. I lift the eyelid just a little bit to tuck under. You know, you want to make sure you get, it's not going to work, guys, but you know what I'm trying to say. And this, luckily, like you see how there's this big gap, you can lift this and you can move it to where you need it, and it'll go. Like, you can just stretch it, and you make sure to stretch it. You want to be stretching it, because if you don't stretch it, it's gonna somebody mentioned, you know, isn't that going to be like too close to the lashes? Like, are the lashes going to hit? And sometimes you are going to run into those clients where they have different shaped eyes, and it is going to run into it, and you're not going to be able to use them. So what you can do is take those and just use them to hold up the lid so you don't waste any tape. But for blonde lashes, guys, I don't know why for blonde lashes, this color, like a cream color, it pops every single lash out. Like, every time I do use this, it doesn't work for everybody. The microfoam does not work for everybody, so you have to be aware of that. Like, you're gonna have some people that just, it doesn't work on. You'll see. Like, I cannot explain it to you, but once you put it under and you put it, you want to make sure to put the, what am I talking about? Put the foam under, and then make sure to lift the eye. You can basically put this lid over the tape, and it's not gonna hurt them. Put it on yourself, try it. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. So, but you have to make sure their eyes are closed. And then you just stretch and tug it underneath. Have it just tugged under, okay? But anyway, like I was saying, I get off track. So I don't know, for blonde lashes, just pop out any lashes. The tape that this does work on, the method that this does work on, I mean, you see every single eyelash. If you need to, like, I know it's a bit much, like we already have 3 things down. Take your micro pore tape and tape up the lid a little bit wherever you need to pull it. Don't be afraid. Like, I think yeah, it could be a little much. A lot of people are gonna judge and say, like, that's too much, like, you're crazy. But also, I mean, you're protecting the client. So the gel pad, like I said, you can miss out on it, but I like to have that little extra cushion where if I poke with the tweezer, I'm not gonna hurt them. Their skin's gonna be fine. And it like, honestly, guys, when you take it off, you do want to peel off one layer by one. But honestly, like, it just comes off so smoothly. Like, the gel pad by this time is ready to come off after a good while that you've had your client laying down. And that's just what it is. So I don't know, I feel like I left something out. Let me know if you have any questions on this method, if you think it's crazy. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up, because it will help me out a lot. And know what you guys want to see from me. What video would you like to see next? I do want to film my what's on my cart, like my lash cart, and also I want to take you guys inside my little room back there and let you take a look. But I'm crunched for time. Like, today is Saturday, it's my only day off from my other job, my full-time job, and tomorrow I can film it. I'm not too sure. I don't want to throw out promises, but I will be filming it really soon. Please hang in there. Hopefully you guys enjoy my videos. Let me know if they're helpful. If they're not, like, let me know what you want to see. I will be doing so many different types of videos, giveaways. I'm ready to do some giveaways. If you guys are lash techs, stay here, subscribe, because there will be giveaways. I want to help you guys. There's just a lot I want to do. So thank you so much for watching. Share the video if you think it's helpful. Share it to your friends and your former lash techs. Yes, Velma. Share them. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.